The journey begins in the stomach, harsh, acidic, nearly lifeless. Only the toughest survive here. The small intestine, a coral reef of villi, where nutrients are absorbed and the first bacterial communities begin to form. The large intestine, the true capital of the bacterial empire, 38 trillion citizens living in organized chaos. Your bacteria outnumber your own cells. You are, in the most literal sense, more microbe than human. 1.5 to 2 kilograms of living organisms, functioning as a complete organ, one that medicine has only just begun to understand. 3 to 5 million genes, 250 times the genetic complexity of the human genome itself. A fortress of 4 layers, 400 square meters of biological barrier, maintained by the bacteria that call it home. The vagus nerve, a biological broadband cable, carries 80% of its signals from gut to brain, not the other way around. 500 million neurons, more than your spinal cord. This is why scientists call it the second brain. 90% of your serotonin, the molecule of happiness, appetite, and sleep, is manufactured not in your brain, but here. Every major system in your body has a direct line to your gut bacteria. There is no organ they do not touch. Dysbiosis, the collapse of bacterial harmony. A single course of antibiotics can take months to repair. From Alzheimer's to depression, from Crohn's to cardiovascular disease, the same root may lie beneath them all.
The founding colonies of your microbiome, received in the first seconds of existence.
The method of birth writes the first chapter of your microbiome story, a chapter that echoes for decades.
Mother's milk contains a hidden gift, oligosaccharides she cannot digest herself, designed exclusively to feed her baby's bacteria.
Mother's milk contains a hidden gift, oligosaccharides she cannot digest herself, designed exclusively to feed her baby's bacteria. Every meal is a vote, cast for or against the 38 trillion who depend on your choices. From cradle to grave, your microbiome evolves, and how you care for it at every stage determines everything. In rural Africa, the microbiome carries species that no longer exist in Western guts, species we may have lost forever. The Human Microbiome Project sequenced thousands of gut ecosystems. The conclusion: no two humans share the same microbial universe. Chronic stress does not just live in your mind, it travels through your bloodstream and lands permanently in your gut. Your microbiome has a circadian rhythm of its own. It sleeps and wakes on a schedule your lifestyle can either honor or destroy. 45 minutes of exercise increases microbial diversity in ways that no supplement has yet been able to replicate. Diet. Antibiotics. 4 forces in constellation, shaping the ecosystem that shapes you. For 10,000 years, humans fermented their food without understanding why. Their microbiomes understood perfectly. 70% of your immune system lines your gut. Your bacteria are its permanent training faculty, and they never take a day off. The future of medicine will not begin in the bloodstream. It will begin in the mapping of your personal microbial universe. From 38 trillion, 20 guardians emerge, 20 species that determine the eternal army.
You now understand the world within you. In the next chapter,